Okay, this is my new lathe setup. I've replaced the supposedly 550 watt motor with a 750 watt three-phase motor, 1 horsepower. The original box is, I've kept all that and all the parts. This is a brand new box which I've just fitted all the new components in. The motor, you can't actually see it from where you are, but it's behind the actual lathe, and you might be able to see the wheel on the side, the pulley on the side. But the lathe, although it's turned on, nothing's happening. And this is when I first put it together, I couldn't work out why it wouldn't work, and that's because I've wired it in so that once the emergency stop button is pressed, everything on the lathe is killed. So consequently, I turn that on, everything springs to life, VFD wakes up, it's on run. Normally I forget to press it, but I should always press this first, which puts the thing in stop when I turn it off, but I've got a tendency to forget to do that, which isn't a problem providing it isn't set up at a speed. When it comes on, it'll start running at speed, but normally you'd press that on. So you see the run come up on the VFD. On this particular setup, I decided to go for 3 fixed speeds as well as variable speed. So these are my fixed speeds, and that's the slowest speed of about 200 revs per minute. And then I went up to about the middle speed, which is about 800. And my top speed is about 1300. Yeah, thereabouts. Which is fine. And I'll go back to the slow speed because it's back to 200. I can reverse it immediately like that, and I can bring it back forward again as well. Turning them off, this allows me the facility now to use the variable speed. The forward reverse works just the same. And then press stop. That's what I should do every time, and I tend to forget. But now if I turn that on, nothing happens, which is what it should be. The motor itself, obviously having slow speed with that torque is quite a novelty for me, but the motors do have trouble drawing in enough air when they're running on slow speed. So for that reason I've put a fan behind the motor which runs all the time. It's a PC fan basically, and I've done exactly the same with the VFD. The fan on the VFD seems to have packed up, which is okay because it was really noisy. And I don't think we really need it in this country anyway. But I've got belt and braces, they've both got a fan on that comes on all the time, and I can monitor the actual temperature of the fan with this little unit here. Bottom one's for the VFD, and the other one's for the motor. But as I say, once I press it eventually stop, it's all dead. So that's my quick rundown of the motor, my new motor system.